You don't hear that one before? Maybe I don't know. Construction experts, engineers, you don't hear that one before? But when I listen to the governor of Oyo State, Makinde.
It was awarded for 10 billion naira, 65 kilometers at that particular time. It's a very simple translation. 65 divided by 10 billion, that's something like 153 million a kilometer. How would they ask a minister, so how much is the coastal road? And then you're dancing around, going to say, no, next kilometer is different from next kilometer. Yeah, what is the average cost? When we did Oyo to, it said it was about 9.9, almost 10 billion. I was about, this time around, 34 or 35 kilometers. Average cost 238 million per kilometer. When we did Oyo, no, it's saying to Ogbomoso, 76 kilometers, was about 43 billion. Average cost almost 500 and something, maybe 500 million per kilometer. And we have 2 bridges, one over Ogun River and then one at Ogbomoso end.